भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे कार्यकर्ते नेहमीच आपले मतदान कमळ, मोदी व विकसित भारताला म्हणून देतात. त्याचप्रमाणे यावेळी संपूर्ण जनतेचे मतदान हे मोदींकडे पाहून होणार असे गोवा मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत यांनी भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे उमेदवार जगदीश शेट्टर यांच्या प्रचारार्थ आयोजित शक्ती प्रदर्शनात म्हणाले.
मैं आपको क्लियर कर बता देता हूँ, क्योंकि कितने भी रिबेलियन फैक्टर रहे तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के हमेशा जितने सारे कार्यकर्ता लोग रहते हैं, दे वोट फॉर द लोटस, दे वोट फॉर द मोदी जी, दे वोट फॉर द विकसित भारत. तो डेफिनेटली दैट विल ओवरकम and everyone will come together and they'll vote and elect Modi ji. So that we want the 28 out of 28 seats in Karnataka. So the people of Karnataka also wants the Modi ji, because only guarantee is the Modi ji's guarantee. So no one can give the any guarantee, because they have experienced the guarantee given by the Karnataka Congress. They have not fulfilled any guarantee. That's why only now the guarantee remain is Modi ji's guarantee for the Nari Shakti, Yuva Shakti, Kisan Shakti and Garib Kalyan.
Sir, don't you think the Modi factor is being used excessively here? Because you need to have good candidates also, and people see what all development your candidates have taken up. Because depending more on entirely on Modi factor, do you think is it fair?
We had seen for the last 10 years, Honorable Prime Minister had seen how the development of the India.
Okay.
So that definitely, when we are voting for the government of India. We are voting for the Vikasit Bharat. So of course, we are asking for the people to support for the Modi Jis. We are asking the people to vote for the Modi Jis. No doubt, the candidate is also important that much, and we have given the experienced candidate everywhere. And so people will vote for the Lotus, people will vote for the Modi ji, people will vote for the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. In last 50 years of the tenure, no Congress had given this type of the Prime Minister. We have the thought of the Vikasit Bharat. In this Azadi Ka Amrit Kal, he is thinking of the another 25 years, how the India will develop.
About this Madai, just I have two questions. Recently, this National Wildlife Board cleared 2 eco projects, in the Madai Basin, which are of Goa government, proposed by the Goa government. But Madai has been waiting for a long time now, Kalsa project. You have some 10 acres forest land has to be diverted, but National Wildlife Board has not cleared it, whereas it cleared 2 of your Goa projects.
मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि ये मैटर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में पेंडिंग है. दिस मैटर इज अगेन पेंडिंग इन द मादई प्रवाह. द मैटर इज गोइंग ऑन, and whatever the feasible, whatever the permissible, that is only the National Wildlife Board will permit. This is in the interest of both the state, Karnataka and Goa. I think the decision will be in the favor of both the states, because the more important is the environment, more important is the Madai Wildlife Sanctuary. That is the more important. No doubt the water problem is there, but Madai Wildlife Sanctuary is also more important.
Digambar Kamj, opposition leader, says at least even he will not allow 1 drop of Madai water to go to other states. But will you agree with the Supreme Court verdict in this Madai issue?
We want to agree the Supreme Court verdict, whatever given, but still also that matter at present had gone again to the Madai Pravaha. And there is a Madai Pravaha had formed. Madai Pravaha had already recently inspected the site of the, they are going to inspect the site. Already the individual member had come on the Madai site, and individually we have submitted a report to the Supreme Court. On the basis of that report, what the decision with the Supreme Court taking, we are waiting for that.
सर, कर्नाटकान मध्यंतरी मादईचेर काम सुरू केल्ले असले आणि ते थोडेसे त्याचे व्हिडिओज आणि त्याचे फोटोज बीन आले अबाउट अ मंथ अँड हाफ बॅक ऑर समथिंग लायक दॅट. तेवर मग तेव्हा तुम्ही कितें म्हणजे कशें ते हँडल केले?
कर्नाटकाक मादई हो इलेक्शनाचो इश्यू आसा, इलेक्शनाचो मुद्दो आसा. आमच्या खातीर मादई ही आमची जीवनदायिनी आसा. आमच्या पर्यावरणाचें संवर्धन करपा खातीर, आमची शेतां भाटां जगपा खातीर, आमकां पिवपाच्या उदका खातीर, त्या खातीरच म्हादई तिजो प्रवाह गोंयांत व्हांवत रावप हो आमच्या गरजेचो नुसार आसा. तांच्या खातीर कदाचित तो इलेक्शनाचो मुद्दो आसतलो, आमच्या खातीर इलेक्शनाचो मुद्दो ना. बट म्हादई ही गोंया खातीर सदोदीत आमकां जीवनदायिनी म्हणून जाय. ती आमची फायट जी सुप्रीम कोर्टात आसा, प्रवाहा कडेन आहा, केंद्र सरकारा कडेन आसा, तिजो पाठपुरावो आमी करीत आसतले. आनी म्हादईचो आमचो रायट हो आमी केन्नाच कमी पडूंक दिवचे ना.
तर डिफर जे झाले क्वेश्चन तो मध्यंतरी ते हे डिफर झाले डिसिजन जे आणि वाईल्ड नॅशनल टायगर अथॉरिटी क्लिअर केला, पण वाईल्ड लाईफ जे बोर्डान जे डिफर केला आणि ते दुसऱ्याच्या कोर्टात घालला म्हळ्यार ते दे हॅव नॉट टेकन एनी कॉन्क्रीट डिसिजन. सो
इट इज अ पेंडिंग विथ द नॅशनल वाईल्ड लाईफ बोर्ड.
या
So one last question. What are your expectations from the elections, Goa State and Karnataka? How many seats?
Goa is giving 100%, 2 out of 2 seats. We are expecting the same thing from the Karnataka, but definitely the maximum seat is getting for the NDA alliance.
Okay.
थँक्यू.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
कर्नाटकातील 28 पैकी 28 जागा भाजप व JDS अलायन्समुळे निश्चितच भारतीय जनता पक्षाच्या असतील. त्याचबरोबर गोव्याचे दोन्ही खासदार देखील निवडून येतील असेही त्यांनी आपल्या विशेष मुलाखतीमध्ये विचार मांडले. महादेव पवार, कन्नडम्मा न्यूज नेटवर्क, बेळगावी.